Joseph catch another fish. Woo!
It's pregnant.
What?
Pregnant.
Pregnant fish? Okay. Not on my. Okay. So don't move it. So we decided to
Go fishing again.
go fishing again. And then Joseph, we're gonna. No. That's how you do it. Okay. So while Joseph is fishing right there, I'm going to clean this one. I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to clean this. Bear with me. I'm not an expert. We're just gonna take out the gills. Adeo. It's very sharp. My knife is not very good, but it works. It's better this way. Before we go home, I already have it clean, so that I don't bother cleaning in the house. Look at all this. There's a liver. You know this sokos? It's got this I don't know what you call it. It's a kidney or something. There's a black thing on it. If it bursts, it's gonna be really bitter. So I have to be very careful on opening the stomach so that it doesn't burst, or the fish will gonna be bitter. I did it before. I didn't know about it, so I end up throwing some of the meat because it's too bitter. There you go. Woo!
I bet it's pregnant. I bet it's pregnant.
You think it's pregnant?
Is it?
Is it pregnant?
Maybe. You have
No.
to cut the body first. You have to cut the body.
No, I have to do like this.
Oh, it's not. Wait, what is that? Is that the intestine?
This is the intestine.
Oh, I think it's that the intestine.
And then the liver. I don't see the black thing that if we only have a scissor, it's I'm gonna. So you're not fishing anymore, Joseph?
Yeah.
Why?
I fish over there. There was a tracked fish hitting my bait, but it's too hard.
So where's the fishing rod?
What the hell?
Why? Give me the fishing rod. I will be the one to get the fish.
It's a tracked fish.
Huh?
Tracked fish.
Tracked fish?
Yeah. It's not my first time. Never catch a tracked fish.
Can you bring me the fishing rod?
Later when you're done.
Don't, careful. You're going to wet my camera. Okay. Alice. So there you go. We wash it in the salt water. There you go. And then I have to scale it, Joseph. But because our knife is not very sharp, see, we love eating this fish. I don't know, there's a lot of people, they don't like to eat this, but when you're going to make a soup out of this one, it's really good. And I put tomatoes, so we're catching this one and we're going to cook this as well later on. And you're a very good fisherman, Joseph. We save money to buy our odoim. So that's it. I have
Drink.
No, can you get the wood?
Just drink.
No.
Go.
So can you hold the camera, Joseph, for me? Okay. So I'll show them how I'm gonna do this. I have to cut this mouth because. Can you move a little bit? So I'd rather want to clean it over here. So when we got home, no need to clean it. The tail. Next time.
My ear.
Your ears? Why, what's wrong with your ears?
It's good.
That's good?
Yeah.
So I'm going to show you guys. I do like this. Cut. Where's the Joseph?
What?
I need the fishing rod.
Why?
I'm going to catch another fish.
Because I want to watch myself. I want to have fun.
Hmm?
You good.
Okay. Would you like to eat your snack?
They're ready.
You did eat all your snacks?
No, except for the blue thing.
This one is not very fatty than the first one that we caught. Hmm?
Fresh water. Fresh water.
Okay. Thank you for the help. One more. Another one. Get some more water. Can you get me some more water? I should have took out the scale first before I cut it, but it's very fresh. It's gonna go to your face.
Can I throw the head?
No, don't throw the head because I'm going to make a soup. Soup number 9.
Oh, soup number 9. Okay.
So, just a second. So we already have some here. Joseph caught a barracuda, a small barracuda earlier, and I already have it clean. See how fatty it is? Look, this is how fatty the fish. And then,
Wait, no, I'm cleaning it.
no, don't clean it like that. Just do like that. Put some more.
Mom, what is this bubble?
That's from the intestine, Joseph.
Can I touch it?
Yeah, why? You scared?
Or can I pop it?
Why you pop?
Huh?
Yeah, you can pop it. See? Once you catch and clean, just over here, and then we're going to catch some more. You're gonna put it over there.
But you have to tie the hook.
Yeah. Ah, you lost the hook?
Yeah. The jackfish.
Because of the jackfish, you put over here because there's ice. So it's good. So this is the second one, and we caught a big eye as well, but I already have it clean. So it's ready when we go home, and I cook it for you, Joseph. You're very good today. Huh? Hello everyone, it's the weekend and it's low tide, and you know, we're here again doing fishing. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like right now. It's really low tide, but we've noticed that when it's low tide, that's the time that the suckers are coming to get some food. So when it's high tide, it's really hard to catch a fish, but when it's low tide, now we know the secret. So come on you guys, join us today. I'm gonna clean those fish later on, and then I will show you how I'm going to cook it, because it's Joseph's favorite food, right? Yeah, you have scales in your face. What's that? Okay, so I was cleaning the fish a while ago, and I used the bait, the intestine. So but we do have a lot of sardines actually from Uncle Joe this morning, and we suppose it's still frozen, so I'm just gonna leave it like that for time being, and then later on when it's not very frozen, then we can use it. So we're addicted to fishing already. Yeah, but you know, when it's no school, I'll take Joseph over here to fish than staying in the house and playing gadgets. So way much better, eh? So you know how to tie?
Get the knife and cut.
Why, did you tie it already?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna cut it. So he knows how to tie, which is good. Before, he doesn't know how to tie, but you really have to tie it nicely, Joseph.
Yeah.
Okay. The fish is still moving right there. So let's go. What happened?
Nothing.
Nothing. Just a scratch. Okay. Good boy.
Mom.
So it gets really low tide now, and it started to rain. Come on, can you take me a video?
Okay.
Okay, can you hold it? Hold it, please. You do it later now. So this is all the suckers that we caught. No, just look into the camera.
But what's this?
Look the camera if you. So I'm getting all of this already washed.
Here's the hand.
Yeah. And then so I'm gonna give some to our friends later, because this is a lot of fish. Joseph, look. Come on. Make it nice. Over here. In mommy. You put. See, we have a bag of fish already clean, ready to go. What's that one? And we still have some. What we're gonna do is I'm going to throw this water, and then our bait, so it doesn't smell bad. I have to put over here like that. Just a second up. And then, alis mo. He's lazy to take me a video. So, we're just gonna do like that. Here's the fish that we caught. I'm gonna put it right here. Like that. So, what do you say? We're gonna rest for a while. Adventure. Unending adventure here in the island Republic of Palau. Look, this is our favorite place to go fishing because we always get lucky. Even if it's low tide, we get lucky. We get a lot of fish right here. So there you go. Joseph is busy doing something. What's that, Joseph?
Cutting this?
Be careful, you're gonna cut your fingers. That one is very hard. It's gonna take forever. Are you patient? See, he's very busy. He's making something. What you doing? Okay, you say something first to our subscriber. He's very busy.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Get the best things. Comment down below. Don't skip my eyes.
He's cutting the bottle, the plastic bottle, because he's gonna put the bait on it. So in a while, because it's gonna take a long time before it's gonna be high tide, and we're leaving. That's our video for today.
We're not.
And see you on our next vlog.
Bye.
Bye. We still have a lot of sardines, and we still have a bucket of sardines here. We're gonna keep it for our next fishing adventure, okay? So this is the fish that we caught this morning, and I'm going to cook it. So I seasoned the fish, and we're just gonna fry it simple. It's much better than to eat some processed food, you know. Nana is helping me. Not sure ka. We're scared. So there you go. I managed to flip it on the other side. And thank you guys for watching. Bye.